Probably the pure definition of perfection. This beautiful medium-sized lambskin gold hardware Lady Dior in a full set, because you guys, you're gonna get the original dust bag, authenticity card, info booklet, and strap. This is just a beautiful bag, something that you will be wearing from here to the next 20 years. Absolutely everlasting and super classy and chic. The fact that it comes with a long shoulder strap makes it also very versatile too. You can wear it crossbody or on the shoulder. Once again, the most coveted and demanded combination ever, lambskin and gold hardware. Please, please, please swipe up.